Hey, good morning guys, it's Dan with the Crayon Brotherhood, and today we are at the Cossatot River State Park Natural Area, and it's a little park I've never been to. We're up here at the visitor center now, and man, they've got a really nice little visitor center, all kinds of information on the area. So if you get the chance, come by and check it out. It's a really nice little area. We're gonna go out and check out some campsites and check out the river, that kind of thing today. Nothing crazy, no trails probably. I think it's just like 4 service roads, that kind of thing. I've got Steven with me. You'll see him in my last video with the JK on 40s. Gnarly rig, but this is the little information center. It's really cool. Y'all check it out. So this old millstone, they got a demonstration here, was ran by the river in a little cabin there. Here's the little reed on it. My favorite part, the otter. Love otters. Super cool. They got a gift shop over there. Here's the information center. There's snake. If you're into snakes, I'm not. That's your thing. You can see where your things are located on the river with the lights. And right now you are here. I think that's showing up. It's really cool. But yeah, y'all definitely come check this place out. It's worth stopping. Alright guys, we're down here at this the old low water bridge right down from the visitor center, and this stuff is cool. The history and age of this thing is just pretty neat. Oh, and we're under what they call the Mile High Bridge. You can see it here in the background. I think it's a good ways up there. But here's the old bridge. You can see the years of wear and tear on it. It's a hiking path now. It's like a 17-mile hiking path or something along those. I'll show you the little readout on here in a minute. But they do kayak and canoe and all that stuff when it's up. It's down a little bit. They said it's about 2.5 feet and about 4 foot when everybody starts showing up. It's really pretty down here though. The water, I mean, it is crystal clear. That over there, that's probably 3-4 foot deep over there. 12.5 miles, not 17. Oh, guys, check this out. So Steven got me this. He ordered it before my birthday, but it just come in. It's a little Claymore shaped box with crayons in it. Isn't that the coolest thing? Super cool. So if you ever wonder the things we go through for different shots and stuff while we're out here, this is kind of it. wading through water. You don't see this part in the video, but it's a cool little waterfall over here I want to get to, so not complaining about doing it, just letting you know that it's being done. Hopefully it don't start raining because my good camera's over there on the land. And there ain't no getting to it quickly. Oh, look at that. That's what we're trying to get to, so I'll bring you back for that. Laying here on a rock. Oh man, that's so cool. It's just a beautiful shot. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but you can see through the water. It's about a foot deep as it's breaking over the edge there. Man, that is so cool. You can see the air getting trapped up under it where it cavitates. I'm not gonna lie, it'd be a much better shot with the Sony than the GoPro, but I'm too big of a weenie to walk out here with that expensive camera, so it is what it is. I have to say these Overlander, I think they're called, by Combat flip-flops, are doing pretty well. I'm walking over this stuff pretty decent. Covered in algae, so you got that, but I mean, all in all, they're not bad. They leave a really cool little print too. I know, I'm a child, but Combat flip-flops, go check them out. I'm not sponsored or anything. They just make good products if you like flip-flops. A little pricey, but they got a lifetime warranty if you tear them up, you know, naturally wear them out or they just break. So anyway, gotta keep moving. All right guys, so that was the river down there. What'd you call that area down there?
That's Cossatot Falls.
Cossatot Falls.
Yeah, Cossatot Falls, and then it has the 6 breaks that are individually named, and then you know, there's the camp area back here.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go over to Sandbar.
Yeah. So we're going to the Sandbar next, but I'll run you up here and check out these campsites. I mean, they're really nice campsites. I mean, they're nice big flat pad for you to put a tent. I mean, you really, this is reservable for handicap, so you can get your chair up here. But I mean, even that one over there, that's a good sized spot. So yeah guys, you don't have to have crazy rigs like we got to go out and enjoy nature. I mean, you just don't. So if it's something you can't do all the time, there ain't no sense in it. So just get you something you can run around in and come out here and enjoy this. That's the goal anyway. All right, we're headed to the Sandbar. So in between the falls and the Sandbar, there is a nice little pull-off spot you can go, and it's got some good little swimming holes here. It's down, way down, and it's still, what'd you say, about 3-4 foot deep out there?
Oh yeah, there's some pretty good holes. It's over waist deep.
Some nice views too, and if you go over the little low water bridge, you went too far, but the low water bridge crosses this right here. But yeah, thought I'd stop, check that out, let y'all see that. Like I said guys, there's plenty for you to do. You don't have to have these crazy tricked out rigs to go out and enjoy stuff. It's just There's just so much nature out here, so much accessible nature. How about that? So again, the goal is to get out of the house and go and enjoy it. So all right, we're coming down here to the Sandbar. It's literally just right past that low rider bridge I was talking about a minute ago. So there's, I mean, it's right here. So it's another little spot you can swim at. It is not a bad little area. You know, woo. Watch where you step though. Nice little area for sure. Little creek, and the river's over here. This is a little offshoot creek. Come out here, hang out for the day, and swim, relax. There's no camping out here on this though, but the campsites are right back there, right on the other side of the road. You can see our vehicles right up there. On the other side of the road there is camping. So you can camp and walk out here. Throw out some chairs in the water. Just kind of hang out. Listen to the water and just read a book or whatever. It's a nice little place though. I can't believe that I've never been here. This is all new to me. This is kind of his stomping ground. And I grew up not too far from here. Never been here. So he was like, hey man, you ever been here? I was like, no. So we ought to go check it out. So this is it. What'd you say was down the road?
So the next stop will be the Ed Banks campground. There's
Ed
two
Banks.
campgrounds there. One of them's been closed for a while. I don't know if it's back open, and I think there's an old access road there at dead ends. But a lot of folks put in kayaks and canoes there at Ed Banks and then float down to one of these pull-outs.
Down here, found another little water crossing right here. Bridge crossing, but there's a little pull in right down there. Got a little outhouse. You can go down there and access the water that way, but we're gonna walk down here and check it out. That's a nice little spot right here. Look at that crawfish up here on the bank.
I'll be there.
We done ran away from a fish. Man.
So this is one of the big places for the kayak.
I wonder if that's the eagles they were talking about. I can't see them do it. I wonder if that's the eagles they were talking about.
You know, they said down at the falls people are seeing a lot right now. We got two that we found. That'll be we kill armadillos, we throw them out about 40 yards off the back porch. And when the eagles come over and feed on them, it's something for my grandmother to watch.
Dude, this is awesome. Awesome. It's beautiful down here, guys. Y'all gotta come check it out. Alright, so we're at the kind of the end of the river here, or the park at Brushy Creek day use sites. It's got a bunch of sites here for like grilling and that kind of stuff, but it is a day use only. There is parking and trails. You can park and go down the trails. I think there's some spots you might camp there. Hiking trails. So if you're into that kind of thing. But it's supposed to be really good swimming area right here. And so we're gonna go down here and check it out. This is about 5 or 10 minutes from DeQueen, Arkansas too. It's just right up the road. The water is super clear. And they said it's down about 2 feet from normal. Yeah, look how clear the water is. Kind of got a blue hue to it. Oh yeah. Be a nice little spot to come hang out for the day. Sit by the water, put your toes in the water, and sit in a chair and read again, or whatever you want to do. Just relax and hang out. It's a nice little. That's pretty wild. I guess the water's actually going through the rocks. You can't see it. This water is moving. Somebody dug it out. That's pretty neat. You can see how deep it is, and it's clear. I bet that's probably 4 or 5 foot deep right there. Oh yeah. Nice little swimming hole. Again, lived here my whole life, never knew about this. It's crazy. Wild, wild. Oh, so I think we're gonna call it there, guys. This was just a little day trip. Come out here, see some campsites, and just outside the ordinary. I know it's nothing exciting, no crazy trails, so it's not always about that, although that is a lot of fun. Sometimes you just want to go somewhere and just camp and relax and just not do that kind of stuff. And these are very nice spots, maintained, because it's a state park, and it's just really nice out here. So, but anyway, guys, hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope to see y'all out at Jasper Jeep Jam in 2 weeks. So until then, Semper Fi, and God bless.